Guys, so quick update for today. So I've been making pizzas along with my baby, and look at him. Finally tried helping me out and trying to wash his hands because he doesn't know how to deal with sticky atta, right? So yes, so the pizzas are in making. Let me show you. Goes since the day I've learned making pizzas at home. So yes, so I prefer making it by myself, whilst my baby boy trying to help me with his small chakla and rolling pin. Oh, say hi. Hi. Okay. So guys, pizza is ready. I've applied butter. I've applied some pizza pasta sauce, and now we're gonna put some vegetables. I'll be using paneer for myself and tofu for my husband because he's not a paneer fan. He likes tofu very much. And yes, I fried it in butter. Like, because I love my paneer to be a little brown, it won't get baked that easily, right? And sorry for the kitchen mess, it'll be cleaned out once it's done. And
Hello.
okay, here's my son saying hello to all of you.
Hello.
And I'll also show you the vegetables I'll be putting on top as a topping on my pizzas. So guys, these are the vegetables. I'll be using these as toppings for my pizza. There's some broccoli. It's in the bowl because I've put hot water and cleaned it, and some capsicum, tomatoes, zucchini, yellow zucchini, and some onions. You can also put sweet corn as well, but for now I only prefer these vegetables. So I have finished loading everything with the vegetables, and you must be wondering where's one pizza gone. So here it is. I put some mozzarella cheese on top. Again, that's for my husband. I personally prefer Amul cheese, and please let me know in the comment section below how many of you love mozzarella, or you prefer processed cheese just like me. So thank you so much for watching today's video. This was just a quick update of my family, and as many of you might be wondering, on my 21 days challenge, how am I having pizza? I was craving for pizzas, but you can see I've made a healthy version. It's all homemade. Yes, pizza has some maida in it, but half maida and half wheat flour. I'll try making completely out of wheat flour next time. But that's all for the day. So I am gonna enjoy my pizza with my family. So please, if you have liked my content, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. If you want to see something